Hey guys, welcome to Quizzer Academy channel. Think you know English idioms? Careful. Part 2 separates beginners from real pros. Some are obvious, some are sneaky, and a few will trap your brain. Before starting, subscribe our channel and hit bell icon. Let's start this quiz. See eye to eye means
Hurry, your time is almost gone.
see eye to eye means agree on something. As easy as ABC means
Only a moment left. Decide fast.
as easy as ABC means extremely simple. Big deal means
Subscribe our channel for our weekly quizzes.
big deal means something important. In a hurry means
What is your answer? Share with us in comments.
in a hurry means moving quickly. Full of beans means full of beans means full of energy. Hands down means hands down means very easy without effort. In no time means
Hit bell icon for more exciting quizzes.
in no time means quickly. Safe and sound means safe and sound means completely safe. All ears means
Can you get this one before time runs out?
all ears means listening carefully. At first glance means at first glance means immediately. In black and white means
The clock is ticking. Pick your answer.
in black and white means written clearly. No pain, no gain means
Quick! Your brain has 5 seconds to fire.
no pain, no gain means hard work. Short and sweet means short and sweet means brief and pleasant. On time means
Think carefully, but act quickly.
on time means punctual. Easy come, easy go means
5 seconds to decide. Make it count.
easy come, easy go means things gained easily are lost easily. Against the clock means
Don't forget to share your scores in comments.
against the clock means rushing. In the long run means
Tick-tock, your answer window is closing.
in the long run means eventually. Make a long story short means
Think sharp. You've got just a few seconds.
make a long story short means summarize things. Miss the boat means
If you know it, say it out loud now.
miss the boat means lose opportunity. Up in the air means up in the air means uncertain. Out of hand means out of hand means uncontrolled. On the edge means On the edge means nervous. Under your nose means
Don't forget to share your scores in comments.
under your nose means obvious. Turn a blind eye means
Wait, did you subscribe? If not, then subscribe our channel.
turn a blind eye means ignore. Keep your fingers crossed means
Last question. Choose wisely.
keep your fingers crossed means hope for luck.
So, how much did you crack share you score in comments? And don't forget, we're dropping weekly quizzes that unlock epic knowledge and challenge what you think you know. So hit that subscribe button, like, and turn on the bell to stay ahead of the mystery curve.